Now, this is video number 2 in a series that I'm teaching you on not only how to create an affiliate marketing business from scratch the right way, but how to get traffic to it and how to convert that traffic into sales starting on your first day. Now, if you missed the first video, I'll leave a link down below this video for you to go back and check that out. But we're going to be starting off from where we left off in the last video. Now, in the last video, we talked about creating your lead magnet, which is very important. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating your opt-in page and your bridge page, which is the bridge between you and the customer that's going to pre-sale your main core offer. Now, if you've been following me throughout this video series, like I said, you won't have to create anything from scratch. I'm going to give you all the pieces to the puzzle for absolutely free, but you got to go through each one of these videos step by step. And by the end of this video, not only will you have a full affiliate marketing business set up and ready to run, but you're also going to know how to get traffic into it that's going to attract targeted leads to your offer so that it will be easy to convert them into customers so you can start earning commissions and leave your 9-to-5 job. Now, in the last video, I gave you 2 options. One of those options is my free course, which will be linked down below this video. And your other option is a program called Funnel Freedom, where I've partnered with Jonathan Montoya, that you'll also get access to a free course that you can market and promote as your own. Now, to get access to either one of these lead magnets, you have to opt in with those links. Like I said, on my course, the first course is going to be a free course that just teaches you about affiliate marketing. But if you want to get that actual course to where all you have to do is change the affiliate links and it can be imported into your funnel building software in one click for absolutely free, then you're going to have to upgrade to the next version and take part in the actual quest, which is the 72-hour infinite passive income quest. That link will be below this video. When you click that link right here, it's going to take you to this page, and you're going to click the green button and you're going to put in your name and your email. And if you want your phone number, that's fine. It's up to you because it's optional. Click the green button, and then you're going to want to check your email for the links and the instructions. Now, after you opt in, immediately you're going to be redirected to this page right here, which is the 72-hour infinite passive income quest. In this 3-day challenge quest, I'm going to teach you how to take that free course that you just signed up for and import it into your funnel building software, change and add your affiliate links so that you can market and promote it as your own. You won't have to build it from scratch. But once you land on this page, if you want to do that, you would click this button right here, and it's going to walk you through the process of getting access to the course so that you can promote it as your own. So in total, you're going to have 2 courses, the free course and the 72-hour infinite passive income quest. Look for 2 separate emails that will come into your inbox, and the subject lines will have their names in them accordingly. Now, inside the 72-hour infinite passive income quest is where you'll also get options to partner with Jonathan Montoya with his Funnel Freedom software. On day 2 of the challenge or the infinite passive income quest, up under advanced setup, you're going to see where you have the options to create your account and get started with the Funnel Freedom software. But if you want to bypass that process and go straight for the Funnel Freedom software, all you will have to do is click the link down below this video, and it's going to take you to this page, and all you have to do is click the yellow button, put in your name, email address, and your phone number, click the check box and click the button, and then follow through the prompts, check your email, and then you'll be ready to take part in this course to where you can gain access to the Funnel Freedom software. Now, both of these lead magnets are both options. You can use any and whatever other lead magnet you want as your choice. You just want to make sure that your lead magnet does this right here. You just want to make sure that your lead magnet leads them to an opt-in page or a bridge page to where they can take part in a course, a workshop, a challenge, or a webinar, which we're going to talk about later on in this video series. Today, we're going to be talking about your opt-in page and your bridge page, which is already pre-built and done for you. All you have to do is make some minor changes. Now, for educational purposes, I'm going to be showing you how to do this with my free course. So just follow along, but you're welcome to use the Funnel Freedom software with Jonathan Montoya or any other lead magnet that you choose. Like I said, I'm just using my free course for educational purposes. Now, again, this is my free course, and this is the landing page / opt-in page. And right here, as you can see, it has a video. This is my bridge page video. Now, if you want to market and brand this course as your own, you're welcome to change the video yourself. All you have to do is just record it, upload it to video, and then change the link inside of your funnel building software. And again, I show you how to do this all inside the 72-hour Infinite Passive Income Quest. Now, to get access to the landing page and the entire course that you can change and make the affiliate links yours and change out mine that you can market and promote it as your own so that you can get 100% of the commissions, all you will have to do is pick whether you want to use ClickFunnels or System.io. You have those options. And then on that video, you want to download the checklist by clicking the download button. Depending on what funnel builder you chose to import your lead magnet, you're going to land on a page similar to this. For this video, I just chose the System.io one. Once you land on this page, all you have to do is scroll down to where it says copy my funnel and lead magnet course, which is going to have the landing page and the entire course. Now, all you have to do is just copy this link, and then you must be logged in to System.io. Paste that link in the browser while you're logged into System.io, and it's going to automatically upload into System.io in one click. And while we're here on this page, you'll also have the option to change the bridge page video. I even give you a script. If you click on this right here, it's going to give you the script that you can use in the video. You won't have to think of it all. And I give you a choice of 2 of them to work with. Now, once you import the funnel and the lead magnet into System.io or ClickFunnels, depending on which funnel builder you chose, it's going to land on this page. So for example, we're using System.io. So you're going to want to go to funnels right here, click on that. It's going to bring you to all your funnels. If you don't have any, it should be the only one. And you're going to look for the one that says Infinite Passive Income Quest Free Course Affiliate Funnel. So you're going to click on that. And it's going to lead you to this page right here where you have the option to edit it. So for example, this is the bridge page. Make sure this is highlighted, and then you want to click edit page over to your right. And then it's going to bring you inside the editor to where you can record and upload your bridge page video. And then you can change the buttons, you can change the graphics, you can change the names, whatever you want to do inside System.io's editor. You can totally take what I've already created and make it your own business and market it any way you want. Now on your screen is the back office of the Funnel Freedom software. And to do what I just showed you is a little bit simpler. Once you've created your Funnel Freedom account with the Funnel Freedom software, you want to make sure you click on the tab that says Funnel Freedom, and it's going to bring you to a page just like this. And all you have to do with Funnel Freedom is put in your basic information, just like you see right here. And you can put in your social media accounts just like so. And then once you're done with that, you want to click update. And it's going to add all of these things you just entered in to everything that's in the software that they're going to be using to promote on your behalf. So the landing pages are going to have your affiliate links. It's going to have your images. It's going to have your name, all the way down to the emails that are going to go out automatically once somebody opts in on your landing page. Everything is going to contain all the stuff that makes sure that you are successful with your business and you earn the credit and commissions. Speaking of commissions, after you click the update button, you want to click on affiliate link settings. And here's where you're going to put in all of your affiliate links for all of these products. If you're not an affiliate for all these products, you can skip them, or he leaves a link right here to where you can sign up for each one of them for absolutely free. And you're signing up under his name, so you're going to be automatically approved. Once you have everything set up, here is what your opt-in page is going to look like, except your picture will be in place of mine. And it's going to have your name in place of mine and all of your credentials. When someone clicks the button, it's going to bring up the opt-in page, and they're going to put in their name, their email address, and you're going to collect the emails into this software. You'll actually be building your own email list. And we'll talk about emails in our next video up under email campaigns. And also, this is how your bridge page would look. He's going to have his video there, but you'll have the option to change it to make it yours, or you can put it right below his, or you can add an image. But as you can see, all of the names and everything have already been changed. You do that when you first create your account. And then right here is your affiliate link inside of this button. If you can see up top right here, when I clicked it, it has FPR Ronnie, which is my name. So the people in the traffic I'm sending to this page, when they click it and opt in, I'm going to get the commissions if they make a purchase. And as you can see, it takes them to this challenge right here. And if they purchase any of this stuff along the way, you're going to get a commission. So this is a low ticket ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket. Now, this is the inside of my free course right here, but I want you to understand what you'll be learning throughout each one of the challenges, no matter which one you choose. If you chose my free course, you can go through the free training and get some extra affiliate marketing training. But if you upgrade to the 72-hour infinite passive income quest, you're going to get the funnel template to this entire course that you can upload and import into your funnel building software of your choice and make all the manual changes on the inside. And just to show you an example, if you scroll down in this part of the video, you'll see I have my ClickFunnels, GetResponse, System.io, Kartra, TubeBuddy, InVideo, and so on and so forth. And you'll be able to come in and click these buttons and add your affiliate link and remove mine. So everybody who opts into the course through the traffic that you referred them to on your opt-in page, they're going to be clicking these links, and now you're going to get 100% of the commissions. And the cool thing about this course, you don't have to change all the videos. You have the option to. So if you want to make a video yourself and change it or talk about something totally different, you have the option to do that. But if you don't want them, they're still going to receive the same training that you did without you posing as the coach and having to create a course from scratch. And the same goes for the Funnel Freedom software. These people are going to opt in and take part of a free course that you can give away as your lead magnet, because you're going to be marketing and promoting it as your own, getting all of the credit and all of the commissions. But this is the inside of the course that your customers that you'll be referring to are going to take part in. And as you can see, your picture, your images, your graphics, your credentials, your name, all of those things are going to be replaced from mine to yours. Jonathan Montoya is going to be the host of all the videos, so you don't have to create the videos or the course from scratch. It's all done for you. And of course, when they click on any of the buttons, you're going to get the affiliate credit and the commissions. So he has 7 modules, and each one of them is going to be giving you all the credit and commissions if anybody makes a purchase. And also your social media platforms, when you first create your account, you have the options to put that in there. Even though they're seeing Jonathan Montoya, if you have a YouTube channel, you can send people to your YouTube channel or your Instagram, your Facebook, and your TikTok. As you can see, this is him right here. So if I click mine, it's going to take you to my YouTube channel, which is Dad Learns Money. By the way, guys, thank you so much for your love and support. And we're almost at 2,000 followers. So if you like this video so far, give me a like down below and subscribe. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to build and craft a winning email campaign to follow up with your leads if they don't take action and make a purchase on their first visit. If you didn't know, it takes a customer or a potential customer 7 to 15 times to see your offer before they make a purchase. There's no way that you can ensure that you see them 7 to 15 times, especially on social media. But when you collect their email address, you can follow up with them 7 to 15 times using automated email campaigns, which is going to be crucial and critical to the traffic strategy I'm going to teach you in the end of this series. But I'm teaching you guys all of this because with or without the traffic, you won't make any money if you don't set these things up and set them up correctly. And I want you to win by the time we get the traffic. So when the buyer targeted visitors arrive on your landing page, everything makes sense and they're ready to buy, and you can take full advantage of them landing on your offer. With that being said, make sure you stick around to the end of this series, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, at the end of this series, I'm going to show you how to kickstart your traffic strategy with 50,000 visitors for absolutely free that are going to come to your landing page, your opt-in page, and see your affiliate offer, and they're going to be buyer targeted. And this is the way that you can convert those people into customers so that you can make those commissions and leave your 9-to-5 job for good. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.